Kick. 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 There you go. There you go. Are you kicking? Brayden, there it is. You can't pick it up with your hands.
The referee's going to blow the whistle and you're going to be out.
Now let Brayden get it out and let Brayden have a turn. Let him have his turn. Thank you. Kick it. Kick it with your feet, Bubba.
Kick, Brayden. Kick, kick.
Get it.
Come on. There you go. Kick, kick, kick.
He's 15 months old and knows how to dribble a soccer ball. That is awesome.